Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Eve. This is Everyday Artist, and welcome. This is Rogue. Say hi, Rogue. No? You don't want to? She's sitting right beside me here on the bed, but I am in a chair, not on the bed. I find this more comfortable and easier to have my things in front of me. Anyway, it is Inauguration Day, I think. The 20th? I don't know. I'm losing time. Anyway, I likely will not be filming in here after today. But if I do, the wall behind me, not the shutters, but the wall behind me will be a different color. He's supposed to get to my room on Wednesday. Yeah. I have to decide what I can get out of his way and put in the garage so that he can, paint in my closet. I have a lot of things in there, all my cross-stitch stuff, and yeah, it's a nightmare. But it'll force me to organize myself, perhaps. We'll see. And she's off. Dog loves me, but she loves my sister making her lunch more. Anyway, yeah, she'll be whining at the door here in a sec. I have a finish. This is DMC's, now it hasn't been ironed, and I've had it, this is one of my oldest whips. I've had it, folded up in a small bag. I used the call for DMC threads, but I tried to find Kreinik threads that made sense to go over it. The shell, I did a pretty good job, but on the, I'm not going to do, it's supposed to have back stitching here, and I'm not going to do it. But the face, I just did regular cross stitch of Kreinik with the dark blue and just half on the other color. The other color is a gray, and it would have had dark blue spots on a gray head. Same thing with the fins. So I decided to make it blue as well. And I'm thinking about doing a back stitch around the eye, but I don't know, maybe not. The shiny's really showing up. Now, I know that these specialty threads can be, the Kreinik, can be challenging, because when you pull out a thread, come on baby, come on, come on, because when you pull out the same exact length of like DMC with Kreinik, if you're going to blend, the Kreinik always ends up shorter, and I don't know why. Doesn't matter why, it's annoying. So when it matters, I stitch them together, but when it doesn't, like with these thinner very shiny threads, they're almost like tinsel. I know Kreinik sold to can't remember the other company. And I don't know if they'll have the same threads, but these are like tinsel. And so I just stitch over it again with that. And the other one shows through. And the reason I think that's a better way to do it is that, yeah, it's twice the work. I have to stitch everything twice. But both things show up. The shine shows up. And I'm not trying to chase the, because it'll fall out of the acrylic will fall out of the needle because it's shorter, and you still have tons of regular thread. To show you, half of this I did both of them at the same time because I was like, oh, I'm almost done. I'll just put them together and stitch it together. Okay. Half of this is one way and half is the other. Can you tell the difference? No. So I was so frustrated, I said, nope, nope, nope. I'm going to go back and do it the way I had been doing it. And then I went back to Cute Boots by X's, 4X and Zoes by Joe Gattensby. And I might get all or most of the water done before the end of the month. I don't know about the back stitching, but I don't know. Maybe. The light blue is very close to the color of the fabric, and there's no back stitching around any of the water. So, yeah, but I don't care. And there's back stitching around the boots, and the rest of I haven't finished the back stitching on the bird yet. But I won't be finishing this month, I don't think, because, my room is going to be painted. But I think I'll be darn close. And so if I finish any of the other things that I want to concentrate on, I'll pull this back out and keep working on it. So, yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. I hit my dog in the face with the pattern. So the second new start for January, hands-on design, autumn basket triple play pillows. And I decided to start with this one. I just really like it. And this is how far I've gotten. It's not a huge start, but it's more than one thread. So, yeah. And I love the colors, the way they show up on this fabric. I think it was a good choice of fabric. This is 14 count ivory from Hobby Lobby. Cute Boots is on 28 count even weave that I dyed myself. Yeah. So is the turtle. I dyed this fabric. Not at the same time, but this is 14 count Ada. Anyway, I have a piece that I intend to finish that turtle on. It's in our storage unit. Hopefully, after all the painting's done, the house will sell very fast, and we can have all our stuff back and not be in this limbo. But you never know. Lastly, my temperature chart. I designed this. This is the Under the Sea temperature chart. It's on Etsy under Three Sisters Creative. And I had also designed a sea turtle and a lobster. But the lobster, I think I'm going to put it on the bottom somewhere. Because I thought, you know, he'll fit right here. Yeah. The lobsters that I've seen when I've gone to aquariums and stuff, they're on the bottom. So, yeah. If I have to move this over a little, or move, I can move the seahorse to the other side. You know, I'll figure it out. Because I really like the way the octopus looks around the fish up there. So, yeah. And it's been chilly, cold for us here in Arizona. One of y'all wrote me that with the wind chill, it's 1 degree. I don't even know how you measure 1 degree. And I probably have told you, I'm not going to do snow. I love my son. I love my son, and I would want to be near him, especially if he got married and had kids. But not if he's in a place where it snows. Mm-mm. I'll have to just see them when they come to visit. So, when I was in Belgium, I've never been more cold in my life. Grew up in a desert environment where even when it snowed, by midday it was warm. So, warmer. Yeah. Our water froze, our heat froze. Yeah, no. That's why when I came back, I moved to Florida. Anyway, here's where we are. We had a really cold day, and then just cooler days. Although there be a couple of days here, I think, that are a little cooler. So, we'll see. I did a little bit more seaweed. I think I did this last time. But I might start on Hey, I'm inserting this. I forgot. I did do a little bit of work on Heaven and Earth Designs mini snowman Snuggles. Isn't he adorable? I'm going to put a picture here of where it was the last time I showed it. Where I did one stitch. You can see then that there is a difference. I'm using this to be able to tell myself where the tens end, so it's easier for me to track where I am. So, anyway, there we are. Yeah, I don't know how I forgot. Anyway, thank you, and I'll see you next time. Start on the octopus. Fortunately, the octopus doesn't need to be shiny. The fabric is already shiny. Anyway, that's all for this week. I hope you guys have had a great week and gotten lots of your stitching done. I've been looking on social media and, a lot of the stuff that's going on still in California. So if you're in that area, near that area, I think about you. I pray about you. So you probably won't be watching Flosstube, but your friends may say this. Anyway, have a good week, and I will see you next time.